Welcome back to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. This week, this show is dedicated to Brenda at Maniac Grammy's Homestead. Yes, so this is something that she did, I don't know, 3 weeks ago?
I don't know, a week or two ago.
A week or two ago. So, hey, the best to get her channel out there is we cook what she shows and we just pass it on. Very simple, 3 ingredients. Some nice, very ripe bananas, a 1/4 cup of walnuts. Oh, yeah, they're sort of chopped, I guess. And a cup of rolled oats. First thing we're gonna do.
I can chop them up a little more for you if you'd like.
Yeah, I guess because some of them are a little big. As you can see, not a lot of ingredients, so they don't make a lot of cookies.
It's a little more diabetic friendly because there's not all that added sugar.
Yeah. So you want to prepare your oven for 350, and we're going to cook these for 12 to 15 minutes. Ellie's all done chopping.
Mr. Brody, you're sitting on my chair.
Mr. Brody is out of sorts today.
Well, there's a storm rolling in because it's already been trying to snow.
Yeah. He asked to go out earlier. And when I went to put him on his leash, and he just stood there and looked out the door. He doesn't do that very often.
She made 12 cookies.
So it's just probably little roll. Yeah. I just want to make sure it's all.
And again, this is something that I will probably eat even though I hate bananas. Because I love banana muffins, I love banana bread, all that kind of stuff, but I just don't like eating a banana.
Brenda, that was for you.
Yeah, but it's a plastic bowl, so it's not quite so bad.
No.
You don't have to like roll them, just kind of.
No, I'm just kind of.
Yeah. I know she used a spoon, but.
Oh, did she?
Yeah, she spooned it, but that's all right. You could just plop it. It's no big deal.
Well, I could use a spoon. She just kind of probably plopped it like that. Right? Yeah. I can do that too.
You can hear the wind outside. It's just a roll.
Well, it's been windy since like.
And Brody's just pacing.
Yeah, since like 2 in the morning. Like it was. Yeah.
Gotta show everybody my new T-shirt. It says Grandma's life. Life is the best.
So, dear, are you forgetting that this is my show?
No.
You can show that on your.
I do. But I had to make a cameo appearance.
Yeah, sure. So we're not going to get quite 12. We're going to get 11.
Hey, that's okay, Daddy. That's okay, Daddy.
And the nice thing is they're just gonna cook anyways. They're not they won't spread out. Okay.
That's okay.
So I still need to let my oven heat up. We're only at 325 right now, and when we are done, get my camera lady in behind the camera. We'll bring you back when we take them out of the oven and ready to try them. Okay, cookies are done. Ready to come out of the oven.
Smells good.
They smell very good, yeah.
They're called
3-ingredient banana bread
cookies.
cookies. I'm reading it because I put the thing back over there. They smell good. Okay, so obviously we're gonna have to let them cool down. So once they cool down, well, I can take a little nibble. Okay. Tastes just like banana, rolled oats and nuts. So that's it. Very easy. 3 simple ingredients. Thanks to Brenda from Maniac Grammy's Homestead. They're going to be a delicious treat. Anyways, folks, I have no idea what I'm doing next week. So stay tuned, and we'll see you. Take care.